Oh, hey there, welcome to Manotick StringWorks. Glad to have you back. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. So this time I thought we'd have a look at restringing a guitar. Here's an example of one that came into my shop. It's not ideal. The string windings, they're not tight on the posts. They're crossing over each other. I'm not sure what happened here on the D string. B string broke because of it. And yeah, so generally this is not the way you want to string a guitar. So let me show you the way I like to do it. It's quick, simple, and easy, and generally don't have any issues with it. So of course we start with taking the strings off, and I like to use a power driver. It makes it a little quicker. I don't cut them off when they're like this because they're just a pain to pull them off the post if they're too short, the wire. So I'll just try and loosen them, pull them out if I can. That D string with a bird's nest on it, that one probably will be a little bit of a problem. Not much, and you can always cut it off, but I think you'll see here that, it's wrapped around itself a couple of times. Tug on it. Oh, there we go, it came out. So, yeah, just use the driver, make quick work of it, and then you can cut the strings and pull them through the body. So this is an optional step. I've been doing this for a while, but I like to try and line up the post holes in the direction of the string slots on the nut. I don't know that it's overly necessary, but it's just part of my procedure. So this way I keep everything consistent when I'm restringing. Yeah, so I'm just checking. Alright, so pull the string through the slot. Count 2 or 3 posts, or 2 or 3 inches past the hole. A little longer is always better, right? You can always snip it off. Push the string through the tuning post hole, bend it upwards to 90 degrees, and then start winding. Remember to keep tension on the string as you wind, and make sure that the winding goes under itself all the time, right? So that way it's going to put tension on that part of the string you put through the post hole. You don't want it overlapping on top of each other, always winding down towards the body, or the headstock, I should say. Then use a screwdriver to snug up the windings if you need to. Usually I find that happens on the wound string, so the E, the E, A, and the G string. D string, sorry. E, A, and the D string. So you use a screwdriver, be careful, don't scratch up the headstock or anything. But it helps snug up the windings where you need them. So then just continue with the other strings, same procedure. Slide the string through the hole, cut off 2 or 3 tuners, length, pull it back, bend it over at a 90 degree, and then start winding. Again with the driver or manually or with the little hand tool, whatever you like to do. And just make sure you put tension on the string and keep the windings underneath themselves, not overlapping, going down towards the headstock. Again, that creates that tension you need on the part of the string you pulled through the post hole, and that'll keep the tuning a lot more consistent on your guitar. It locks it right in there. Alright, so did all the strings just on the first string now. You can start the first string, you can start at the 6th string, whatever you like. Here again, just using the screwdriver to make sure those windings are nice and snug. There you go, it's looking better. Now we just need to trim up those ends. They're pretty dangerous. I don't know how many times I've poked a hole in the end of my fingers on these, and especially on the B and the E string. But clip them off so they don't catch on anything. Looks nicer, tidier as well, of course. And here we go. Here's the finished product. So you have a look. It's clean. It's neat. No strings anywhere. All the windings are tight. They go down from the tuning post hole towards the headstock, locking that string in place. And I really have never had any problems with stringing up the guitar this way. So I hope that works for you. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I enjoy making them. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.